Hi, I'm Mark Lyda from Lyda Law Firm. We're posting this video because we haven't posted in a while. In fact, it's been one whole year. So I want to tell you what we've been up to for the past year, but more importantly, I want to tell you about the future of this channel and how I hope it can be of some benefit to you. So, what have we been up to for the past year? Well, first of all, this channel has been growing on its own. Even though we haven't posted anything, I really want to thank you for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for engaging, and I think it really speaks to the need for legal knowledge to be out there and to be accessible to people. So that's really inspired me to get back into it. So that's one thing that's happened over the past year. How about us? Well, know what you're thinking. First of all, you're thinking, how does this guy look even younger and healthier and fitter than he did in the earlier videos? Ooh, clean living, I guess, and long COVID. But anyway, what we've been up to as a firm is we've been growing a lot. So that's a big reason we haven't posted anything in the past year. So we started in Denver, Colorado with the mission of increasing access to high quality legal services for small businesses, nonprofits, and moderate income individuals, meaning regular people, because too often the law and law firms and lawyers are out of reach for all of those groups. So that's our mission. And inherent in that mission is growth. If we want to increase access, we have to grow. So grow we have. We're still in Colorado, of course, and now we're in California, Texas, Florida, Washington, and Tennessee. As you probably know, lawyers and law firms can only practice in the states in which they're licensed, so it's kind of hard to grow as a law firm. There's a high barrier to entry, but we're really happy about this growth, and now we can represent about 1/3 of the United States population. So we're really excited about that and how it's furthering our mission. So that's our mission, and it's really similar, by the way, to the purpose of this channel, which is about increasing access and approachability of legal knowledge. So we can't give legal advice on this channel. As you know, I say it all the time, it's like a broken record. There's all these disclaimers, but this channel is not legal advice. Every situation is different, every state is different, every country is different, etc., etc. This channel is just for informational, educational, and obviously entertainment purposes. The vision of the law firm is to become a full service firm for the groups that we represent, small businesses, etc. Because there are full service firms, meaning they can do all sorts of different types of law, litigation, transactional, all those different things that lawyers do. That's called a full service firm. And there are lots of full service firms for large companies, huge corporations, national law service firms that serve Fortune 500 companies and so forth. But the idea of being a national full service firm for small businesses, nonprofits, and moderate income individuals, that's more of a novel concept. So we're working really hard on that and going down that path. And so that's what we've been up to for the past year. But I also don't want to neglect this channel because, like I said, I think there's a real need for it. And I think it's a real opportunity to further the mission and provide some value to you. So, one video a week for the next year. That's my commitment. Mondays, start your week off right. We'll start it off right together with a video on this YouTube channel. What am I going to talk about in those videos? Well, first, I'm going to do a playlist about startup legal guide. So not just small businesses, but specifically scalable startups like tech startups, startups that are looking to raise a bunch of investment money from venture capital and so forth, might want to go public someday. That type of startup has its own really distinct legal needs. So I'm going to do a playlist just for them. I've done a 16-step legal checklist for startups and small businesses, which is more of a general thing for a typical small business. This is going to be more specific to the distinct needs of a scalable startup. So that's the first playlist. Then I'm going to do a playlist about estate planning. Everybody needs estate planning. Small business owners, nonprofit executives, individuals, everybody can benefit from estate planning. Plan for your future and for your family's future. So it's something that has grown a lot in our firm. It's a practice area we've really expanded, and we have a lot of great estate planning attorneys. And so I'm going to do a playlist about that. I'm also going to do a smattering of videos on a couple other topics. One, legal innovation, innovating in law firms and changing how law firms run. Is that the sexiest topic? Yes. It's something I'm really passionate about. And I'm going to talk about technology, things that law firms can do to treat their people better and kind of function in the world in a way that maybe adds more value to the world. I'm really passionate about legal innovation, so I'm going to do some videos about that. I'm also very passionate, you might say obsessive, about reading business books. So I'm going to do some videos about some of my favorite business books, some sort of business philosophy books, some biographies, things like that. I'll give a synopsis and a little review in a digestible format of some of my favorite books that have added the most value to me, maybe some that have added value to my clients or other people I know who run businesses, and I hope these videos will be of some value to you too. They might whet your appetite to read the book, or you might just think, okay, I got a synopsis. That's good enough for me. But either way, I hope it adds some value to you. I hope this whole channel adds some value to you. It looks like it kind of is adding some value to people, and that's why I'm making this new commitment to really keep after it. So thank you for your subscriptions, for your likes, for your comments. Please keep it coming. Share it with your friends. Really importantly, while I can't give legal advice in the comments section, I can respond. I'd love to engage with you. I love responding to comments, and I also want to know, what videos do you want to see? A year's a long time if we're doing it every week, and hopefully beyond that year. So if there are videos that you would like to see me address, topics that you'd like to see me address in a video, please let me know in the comments section, and I'd be happy to look at those. And if I can add some value, I'll do a video on them. Thank you so much. I look forward to growing this community with you for the next year and beyond. Hi, I'm Mark Lyda from Lyda Law Firm. I'm posting this video because we haven't posted